Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set profile picture in your Threads app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Threads app. Now open your account and go here. Here you can see the option of add profile photo. Press on this. Now click on new picture. Select your picture, then press on done. Here you can edit your picture. After editing your picture, you have to press on done. That's it. So this is how to set profile picture in your Threads app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.